Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will see an important theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. In my previous video, we have seen theorem on areas of two similar triangles. So if you haven't watched that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. Now let's see this theorem. It states a right triangle, that is a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So we have a right angle triangle. So let's take a right angle triangle ABC, which is right angled at B. So here it says the square of the hypotenuse. Here the hypotenuse is AC. So AC square is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Other two sides are AB and BC. So sum of the squares of these two sides. That is, we have to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Right? So first let's write what is given. So given here is a triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 90 degree. What we have to prove? We have to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is, the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Now let's see what is construction. Draw a line from B perpendicular to AC. So let's draw a line perpendicular to AC. Alright. Draw, let's take this point as D. BD perpendicular to AC. Alright. Now let's see the proof. Now if you see what to prove, we have AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? RHS of this equation is AB square plus BC square. First let's see AB square. AB square is nothing but AB into AB, right? So now we have to choose two triangles such that both the triangles have AB. So if you see the triangle ABD and triangle ABC, in both the triangles we have AB. So let's take those two triangles. We have in triangle ABD and triangle ABC. Now let's see how to make these two triangles similar. Alright, in these two triangles we know angle A is equal to angle A, since common angle, right, in these two triangles. And we also know angle D is equal to angle B. Angle D is 90 degree and in triangle ABC angle B is 90 degree. So therefore angle D is equal to angle B, which is equal to 90 degree. So now we know in two triangles, if two angles are equal, that means we can say those two triangles are similar by AA similarity, right? So here those two triangles are triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Angle A is equal to angle A, angle D is equal to angle B, and here the remaining angle is B. So in this triangle the remaining angle is C. So this is how you have to write when two triangles are similar to each other. So I repeat, angle A is equal to angle A, angle D is equal to angle B, and the remaining angle of triangle ADB is B, and the remaining angle of triangle ABC is C, right? So now we said these two triangles are similar to each other since by AA similarity. So now we know if these two triangles are similar, that means the ratio of the corresponding sides has to be equal, right? Now how to write the corresponding sides? Our aim is to bring AB square, right? So let's take first and third angle of this triangle. So that is AB, right? So if you have taken first and third, same angle should be taken from the other triangle. Here the other angles are A and C by AC, which is equal to, we want AB square. So when we cross multiply, if you want AB square, so that means your denominator should be AB. So if you take first and second angle of this triangle, that is AB, so now what is numerator? We have to take first and second angle of this triangle, right? So AD. So the ratio of corresponding sides are AB by AC equal to AD by AB. You can also write which is equal to DB by BC, but that is not required, right? So this is how you can easily write the corresponding sides. I hope you are getting my point. So now when you cross multiply, this implies we get AB square is equal to AC into AD, right? So now let's take this equation as 1. Similarly, let's see how to find BC square. But before that, pause the video and note this down. So now we have equation 1 here. Now let's see how to find BC square in a similar way. We have to choose two triangles in which BC is present in both the triangles. So if you see triangle BCD and triangle ABC, in these two triangles BC is present in both, right? So let's take those two triangles. So in triangle BCD and triangle ABC, in these two triangles angle C is common. BCD and ABC, angle C is common, right? So we know angle C is equal to angle C since common angle. And if you see in triangle BDC, angle D is 90 degree, and in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, right? So angle D is equal to angle B, which is equal to 90 degree. So now we have two angles of the two triangles are equal. So we can say these two triangles are similar. So triangle BDC similar to triangle angle D. Angle D is equal to angle B. So D is in the second place. So let's write B here. D is equal to B. And angle C is equal to angle C, right? The remaining angle of this triangle is A. So A is in the first place, right? So therefore triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity rule. So we know if these two triangles are similar, that means the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So therefore now we want BC square. So BC first and third angle. So BC by same angle should be taken from the other triangle. First and third angle AC, which is equal to, we want BC square. So we have to take BC from this triangle, that is in the denominator. So if you take BC from this triangle, the numerator is for this triangle, right? So that will be DC. So now the ratio of corresponding sides are BC by AC equal to DC by BC. You can also write that is equal to DB by AB, but that is not required, right? So when you cross multiply, this implies BC square is equal to AC into DC. So now let's take this equation as 2. So let me continue here. So now we want AB square plus BC square. So we have to add equation 1 and equation 2, right? Adding equation 1 and equation 2 will give you AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AC into AD plus AC into DC. So AC into DC. So here AC is common. So we are left with AD plus DC, which is equal to AC into. If you see the figure, AD plus DC is nothing but AC. So we got AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AC is nothing but AC square. So hence we have proved AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. hence the proof. This is it in this video. I hope you understood today's topic. If you did, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.